Welcome. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to launch Jaspersoft Studio for the first time, how to sign in, and what to do if you encounter any issues along the way. Let's get started. Once you've downloaded Jaspersoft Studio, click the package to start the setup process, and simply follow the steps to run the installer wizard. A few seconds after setting up your workspace, you'll be greeted by the welcome screen. When opening Studio for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in with your Jaspersoft Community email and password. This login is only required the one time upon first launch. If you do not already have a community account, click Join Now to quickly register on our community site. It only takes a minute. On the welcome screen, enter your email and password associated with your Jaspersoft Community account. Check the box that you have read and agreed to the End User License Agreement and click Login. That's it. Now, it's fairly uncommon, but if you receive an error message that your login credentials are invalid, here's a couple things to check, and an alternative login method to get you up and running. First, make sure you are online. Jaspersoft Studio requires an internet connection to validate your credentials. Next, double-check the email and password were entered correctly. You can confirm your credentials by logging into the community site in a separate browser window. If you can't recall your password, use the Forgot Password link here to reset it on the community site. If you are sure the email and password entered are correct, but are still receiving an error message that the credentials are invalid, the issue is often due to a firewall or proxy server restrictions. For example, if you are on a corporate network. In such a scenario, disabling your proxy server temporarily for the login process will usually resolve the issue, allowing the Jaspersoft server to connect and confirm your login credentials. And once logged in, you can re-enable your proxy. For those users who might be on a corporate network and cannot disable their proxy server, we have provided a couple alternatives to log in. Let's walk through those. Click the Alternative Login Method button and a new dialog window will open. Option 1. Click the button Copy URL to Clipboard. Open a browser window and paste the copied URL into the address bar, and a login page will open. Simply provide your email and password associated with your community account. Check the box for your acceptance of the End User License Agreement and click Confirm. A 6-digit code will pop up on the screen. Copy that and go back to the Jaspersoft Studio login window. Enter the provided code in the text box, then click Validate Code to log in to Jaspersoft Studio. Or, alternative login option 2, you can scan the QR code which will automatically open a login window on your phone. Again, provide your email and password associated with your community account. Check the box for your acceptance of the End User License Agreement and click Confirm. Again, a 6-digit code will pop up on the screen. As with the previous method, go back to the Jaspersoft Studio login window. Enter the provided code in the text box, then click Validate Code. And that's it. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore. Connect to your data sources, design and generate reports, and make the most of Jaspersoft Studio. Next steps? Check out our intro video about how to build your first report. And don't forget to check out the Getting Started tutorials on the community site, how-tos and other helpful resources with more tips and tricks. And thank you for choosing Jaspersoft.